Let's unbox this collapsible foot spa and consider its 5 greatest features. The materials feel strong enough. Definitely not thin and cheap. Feels very sturdy. Okay, let's look at the handle first. The handle locks into place, gives a little bit of give, but not too much. Then right there, it kind of pops down. Right there, you can feel the resistance. Like that. Looks reinforced enough. Oh yeah, we got 2 screws right in there. That's good. Let's see how this actually lifts up. Let me just give it a little pressure. Yep, there we go. Just pops. Oh yeah, that's strong. Okay. All right, so materials feel strong. The handle feels good. I like these support beams right here. I can only imagine filling this up. Say you're soaking your feet or icing your feet if you have a sprained ankle and this thing somehow collapsed, although that did come up really rigidly, so I wouldn't think that it would, but just having that there is great peace of mind. So let's see, that's 3. And then the last 2 things I'd like to highlight is these right here, these little beads are going to be really comfortable. Say your feet are in there, you can rub them on there. That's kind of nice. But then this, I was not expecting that, is a little pumice stone built right in to the bottom so you can scrape the calluses off your feet. That is a nice little feature. So very nice. Okay, cool. So I'm going to fill it up with water and put it to work. But first impressions are really good. I even like how there's all these little raised spots here. So 2 reasons. Number 1, it lifts the whole bucket off the ground a little bit, so it's not just like sucking to water spilled on the ground. But also if you do have a mat or something, it's going to grab, because these are all going to grab and it won't be slipping around on you. So I like that as well. All right, cool. This is a really neat little bucket / basket foot spa. Let me fill it up with water and check it out. I think for context, I'll also mention that I have size 12.5 feet, so there's still plenty of room. I'd say you could have a size 15 and still fit in these. I also think this would be a great bucket for icing ankles, and then it just collapses and fits underneath the sink as well. Very nice. Whew. All in all, I forgot how relaxing a foot bath, hot foot bath really was. So this just had some Epsom salt, hot water, very nice. All right, this was sent to me for an honest review. That is my honest review. I like the sturdiness. I like these support rods. The little beads on the bottom are nice, and the pumice stone is nice. Probably if you're going to be really active, you might want to fill the water up just a little lower than the gray line. But all in all, this is a pretty cool little unit.